Isn't it beautiful? The nature always mesmerizes us, and we enjoy it every day. But for how long will it remain the truth? Humans knowingly and unknowingly contribute every day to various forms of pollution, treating the water, ground, and air as dumping places for various forms of wastes. Water pollution is one of the biggest concerns globally. There are wastes that we can see being dumped, like plastics and industrial wastes. Let's talk about pollutants that we rarely mention or even occurs to us. Detergents and cleaners. They are a part of everyday life across all classes. Many of us are not even aware of the harmful effects of these chemical-laden substances. We all want bright clothes, shiny glasses, squeaky clean dishes, glossy, soft and shiny hair. But at what cost?
One of the major contributors to water pollution are the daily life products which we use, such as detergents, shampoos, soap, floor cleaner. Most of us would not even know what chemicals are we using in our daily life. These products have a lot of harmful chemicals such as sulfates, parabens, DEA and TA, formaldehydes, polyethylene glycol, and host of other dangerous chemicals. Environmentally, these pollutants or toxin substances, they hamper our air and water. That they directly hamper the hormones of the aquatic plants and marine life. Research has proven that dolphins' hormones and many other fishes, their hormones are actually altered. The reproductive capacities are altered. Not only do they increase the toxicity of this marine environment and water, they also cut down the oxygen levels. Humans have access to drinkable or potable water, but many times the animal kingdom, they just have access to this water which is absolutely polluted. They drink this water, the organs, the digestive system, the skin is hampered drastically. Poor animals cannot even protest against this. These chemicals affect human lives too. The parabens affect your hormones. They mimic a hormone called estrogens which causes tumor. Your probability of acquiring cancer is increased multiple times. These toxic chemicals hamper your skin, organs, digestive system, respiratory system, and your overall beauty and vibes too.
Everything in this world has a solution. It needs to be done at two levels. First, individually. We need to choose herbal and non-toxic solutions which are easily available in the market, like lemon, vinegar, baking soda, boric acid, soap nuts, salt, etc. Second, at the government level. The civic body has to ensure and make rules to help the corporates shift from harmful chemicals to eco-friendly ingredients. Local body needs to ensure to educate people and make them more aware. The body also needs to ensure that the water is cleaned and treated properly before leaving them back into oceans and rivers.